Hey, what's up everyone? Taylor here. Just a quick update. I finally got my AC working after 3 years, and before I put the car back together again, I thought I'd quickly make a quick raw video just trying to show you guys what to try and diagnose and how I came to my conclusion, but it might help you guys as well because this car's horrible in the summer without AC. Anyway, the first thing I'd recommend you do to try and figure out your AC is the actual AC unit has a diagnostic mode. I printed this out from the AC service manual, which I'll link in the description so you can download that yourself and print out the pages, whatever. But what you have to do with this anyway is just turn it on, turn your fan onto auto, turn the temperature to 18, leave it for a minute, and then you turn it up to 32 degrees, leave it for a minute, and then after the minute you hold the off button and the auto button at the same time, and these icons will light up on it and it will give you different error codes. Mine wasn't showing any error codes, but if you guys are having AC problems, that's where I would start. Could help you. It could be a faulty sensor or something. Next thing I would check if I were you guys is the relays, which are just here. So that's for the AC air compressor, and I believe this one here is for the condenser fan. So just make sure those relays are okay. What was happening with my NSX is it would intermittently work, and the AC compressor would sometimes turn on, sometimes not turn on. When it worked, it blew cold air perfect. When it didn't work, obviously no cold air. When the AC compressor wouldn't turn on, the condenser fans wouldn't turn on either. That's kind of the issue I was having there, which after I did that and everything showed all clear, I started looking at these wiring diagrams here, and that's your AC control unit, which is just there, and this is where all the wires kind of run to. I was just kind of checking the voltage and ground on them, and they were showing okay, and then I got to this one here, which is the grey black cable wire that goes from this, goes over to this box just right here, which is that right there. That is your fan control unit. That controls your condenser fans, and it also sends a signal to the AC. It sends a signal to the ECU to turn the AC compressor on. Now, I checked that signal from the control unit to that box, and it was definitely getting signal. Then I started testing some of the wires. So this one here goes to the ECU, which is meant to tell it to turn the air compressor on. And then this one here, it goes to the condenser fans, which is meant to turn the condenser fans on. And I grounded them. Just add ground to them. You won't damage them if you do that, but I added ground to both of those, and AC compressor turned on straight away when I grounded that wire, which is the blue black wire. And then I grounded this wire here, which is the orange blue wire. I grounded those individually, and sure enough, they both work. So I got a brand new fan control box, which I know you can potentially repair these, but they're pretty easy to get new still, and they're not that expensive either in the grand scheme of things. This is the part number right here for it. So I chucked a new one in, and yeah, sure enough, it all worked. AC works perfect now. All my issues stemmed from that box right there, and I think there's one NSX Prime thread about it, but you won't find it typing in AC problems. He was having a fan problem, and he repaired his, and his worked. So I can link that NSX Prime thread as well if you want to just repair yours and read a bit more about it. But if you're having AC problems and your compressor and your condenser fans aren't turning on, I would 100% go look at this. It'll save you so much headaches like it did me the last couple of years. And yeah, enjoy some cold air. Anyway guys, sorry for the lack of videos, just been super busy. Maybe I'll try and do something, I don't know. There's a few updates with the car that I probably want to show you guys, but we'll cross that bridge when we get there. Anyway, have a great day. Bye.